Yeah. Hero and I'm selling the wedding stuff, guys. If it's your first time in my YouTube channel, so please subscribe my YouTube channel for wedding stuff and for the special price. For this YouTube channel, you will find sometime the special prices, right? So I already shared another video for the hard chairs and for hard table on the special. That chairs is 1,250 with the table. So you will be find more than special prices for more stuff, and for you can't find it that prices on the shop. Like normally I can't selling that stuff for that price on my shop. The prices is normal, but only for my subscribers who is subscribe my YouTube channel, that price is only for that people, so who is subscribe my YouTube channel. So if you support me, I'll bring the nice videos and nice special prices for wedding shop. Today I got a square chipping dish, guys. I got also the round one, but I got right now the square one, so that's why I'm to make the video and unboxing on for the square chipping dish. So this is the big size, and this is not a round small chipping dish. The big size is chipping dish. The smaller one right now I don't have, the round one right now I got only the square one. The price is too high, it's too expensive, that's why I'm not buying more stuff. I'm just waiting for the prices coming down. This is the chipping dish now, and I'm starting to unbox it right now.
This bed that I'm in feels too big without you. Don't know how to quit thinking about you.
I already opened for the chipping dish. It's coming the handle right, and it's coming 2 pieces in the box. Look this one. Only this 3 piece is the small box inside it coming. Nothing more. So now I'll put it here and I'll open this one. But first I want to tighten this one. This is easy. You can make it the 2 screw, right? You can open first here. And now you put it here.
We dance in the dark, but I see you clearly. My head is a wreck when I don't have you near me.
I already put it out the handle, guys, and this is the chipping dish. It's amazing and it's a beautiful, guys.
Whisper words in the backseat. What I need you to do is love me. Love me.
So this is a beautiful chipping dish, guys, and I hope you will like this chipping dish. This is the chipping dish, guys. You can see, just come here, Ahmad, just come here and focus. You see it's looking like here, and inside is coming this 2 piece in the box, right, and the handle, and 1 piece here, right, and 1 here. 2 pieces coming, so it's looking like this, guys. So this is the big piece and this is the smaller one. And after you can, these 2 pieces you can put it inside something and you can close. So I hope, guys, you like this video. If you like, please give the big thumbs up for this video, guys, and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. You will be find more than special price for wedding stuff. So this special price is only for 800 rand. Now is more than expensive. I'm selling in the shop 850 rand. It's expensive. Before is selling cheaper like 800, but I got all stock, so that's why I'll give the best price for 800 rand. So I hope you'd be like this video, and if you like, so please subscribe my YouTube channel. You will be find more than special price for this channel. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I will be see you to next video on soon. Bye bye, guys.